Finex.
Hi everyone, my name is Iki Eduse and this is season 10 of Excel and Data Analysis course. It has really been insightful and helpful. It teaches you a lot how to manipulate data and how to build dashboards, and I've really met a lot of nice people, including my favorite teacher Na. I will entreat all of you out there to join and sign up for this course because it's really helpful and you will need it in your career path. Thank you very much. Bye.
Bonsoir à tous, je suis Kizito Tio de la Côte d'Ivoire. Je suis étudiant ici à l'Université du Ghana. J'étudie la finance. Et pour en vrai partager mon expérience à Finex Skills Hub, c'était vraiment une expérience qui m'a permis d'apprendre beaucoup.
Hello, my name is Maria. It has been for this is season 10 of Power BI and Excel for work, and it has been a great experience. We learned a lot of things. It's a great time with them. You know, you get some nice skills, and I can now use Excel to create dashboards, be able to navigate throughout the data, and with Power BI I can now use it and create also genuine dashboards for analyzing data for a company, being a human resource data, whatever. So I would invite you to really come to this course. It's exciting and you will learn a lot. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Kweku Jemfiodro, a participant of the season 10 Finex School. It has been a great experience. We were exposed to data analysis, Excel for work, and a few other stuff. It's been insightful. It's been awesome. The facilitators have been top notch. If you are thinking, don't think too long. Just grab the opportunity and be more productive. And I promise you, you would not regret this decision. Enjoy the rest of the day.